Go Beyond Greatness impacted me as an educator by seeing students improve their self-esteem, be happy, learn how to work with other students, and realize that there's other things outside their community that is available.
No, Peter's over there. Hello.
Nothing like it looks here. It's actually just going around and it's kind of an outside cot. For chairs, we've got about 85 sets here. You'll see them getting sewn upstairs. We've got a lot of the actual cushion material. We just do a small amount of the sewing still. The actual craft of doing this kind of sewing takes quite a while to learn. And the top. So we got an order for 996, which ends up being almost 4,000 actual cushions.
So what my question to you, the two of you would be, is what can students do now to start to build upon their experience so that they can, at the end of the day, say, do I need college, or do I have enough experience under my belt because I did the work in high school to be able to get a great profession or career in the future?
Yeah. For one, just thinking about, a lot of times, things get overthought. If it's something, if you're interested in doing, if it's plumbing or architecture or just any of these things, a lot of times you could just call these places and say, I'm interested in this. You'd be surprised how many opportunities you can get from just reaching out, just putting in, just trying.
You never know. Networking with somebody right now, you don't know where that person's going to be in 10 years from now, okay? So the more successful you are in networking might lead to greater opportunities down the road.
Yeah.
Good question.
It impacted me because it showed me that college could go for anyone, basically. And that it don't matter if you have problems or not. So, yeah.
We're here, Go Beyond Greatness, at a radio Kingston in New York.
And when I was in college, I thought it would be fun to start a vintage clothing store. So I was an entrepreneur and rented a space and...
Music production, in terms of what I've noticed with a lot of the radio stations that they offer, so within the music aspect of it, it could be someone who actually makes beats and rhythms and sells them, right?
The most important thing you got to realize is that you will be changing and changing and changing.
So Go Beyond Greatness enabled me to see and realize that I want to continue working in education, in the field of education, to try to help anybody that I can, because I think it's honestly the best way to try to help as many people as possible, all while making yourself happy because you're socializing.
So what would you say is a starting position if they wanted to go into banking? I know you had mentioned your journey and yours, but what do you recommend?
Well, certainly we have teller positions available currently. So as an entry level, just knowing, having high school diploma, basic math knowledge, that will help you get into a basic teller position.
Really, the sky's the limit when it comes to Ulster Savings Bank. It's one of the nicest things is to see somebody that's a teller is now the person that's in charge in our branch.
It impacted me in how I've had more experiences and learned about more colleges and ways to apply myself.
Journalism and web design, not web design, well yeah, web design, but that's in the computer science area, but we have media.
Admissions process here in Ulster. We are a community college. Raise your hand if you already knew that. Wonderful. Okay. So, wonderful on the back. All right. So,
we're here in Dutchess and we're living our best lives.
What are we doing right now?
Oh, we are in an engineering class. The professor's up there. I forgot his name. And this is Vivica. Hey, y'all.
Do you know anything about building robots?
Electrical technicians. Electrical technicians do hands-on work with very complicated and expensive equipment like automated manufacturing equipment or Metro-North Railroad equipment or security systems for companies like the FBI.
Squad down.
When you guys are considering what college you want to attend, there's three major parts that I want you guys to consider and focus on. The three parts are the academic fit, the social fit, and the financial fit. All right?
Okay, I'm gonna stand like this for a moment. Everybody really excited to go home.
Good afternoon, everybody. I want to congratulate all of the students who participated in and completed the Go Beyond Greatness program, college and career readiness activities. You did a wonderful job. I also want to congratulate all of our Circle of Courage students who spent the first semester this year learning about the Circle of Courage and practicing their inherent values. My Brother's Keeper offers kids an opportunity to have a brighter future through learning new pathways to college, careers, to learn how to get along with one another, how to complete their high school with excellence. Go Beyond Greatness and Circle of Courage are two of those pathways. So I want to thank you all for participating.